Congregants at Gospel Restoration Ministry Church gathered for an uplifting Sunday service characterized by joyful praise, spiritual nourishment, and community engagement. The church program began with testimony from members, followed by church news update. This was then followed by vibrant praise session, where congregants danced, sang joyfully in celebration and gratitude to God. The atmosphere later transitioned into worship session that created a reflective mood of prayer, leading the congregation into a moment of intercession. At exactly 11 a.m., the church pastor, Mika Kimtai, delivered the main sermon of the day. The sermon was based on Book of Psalms chapter 19 and emphasized the importance of friendship, encouraging believers to build meaningful and positive relationships in their daily lives.
1 Samuel chapter number 19. Samueli wa kwanza.
The message was warmly received by the congregants who listened attentively throughout the session.
Inasema katika 18 nyuma, Biblia inaongelelea kuhusu Daudi, kuhusu Sauli anapotoka kwenye vita. Rafiki, ni kwamba rafiki ndiye atakayefanikisha.
Meanwhile, the Sunday school children also participated in their own program under the guidance of Madam Lydia and Madam Irene. The children were taken through Bible teachings and later engaged into interactive games such as tug of war, aimed at building teamwork and mental strength. Interview conducted with some of the children revealed excitement and enthusiasm.
My name is Johnson Edmond. I come from Goremi Church. My name is Cosmos Bekwal. I come from Goremi Church.
My name is Gabriel Celestine. I come from Goremi Church.
My name is Nicholas Orube Etiang and I come from Goremi Church.
My name is St. John Fletcher. I'm from Goremi Church.
My name is Derek. I come from Goremi Church.
Gospel Restoration Ministry Church held a powerful and memorable church service today with sermons, praise song, worship song, and even Sunday school children highlighting their talents. Reporting from Kisumu County, Gospel Restoration Ministry Church, I am Kyle David Byron, aka KDB.